Meaning of helper.
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 Helper. The term helper refers to a person or thing that assists or supports someone in completing a task or achieving a goal. A helper can provide aid, guidance, or resources to make a task easier or less challenging to accomplish. In some cases, a helper may take on some of the workload or responsibilities to alleviate the burden on the person they are assisting. Helpers can come in many forms, such as a mentor, advisor, assistant, or tool. Overall, a helper plays an important role in making tasks more manageable and facilitating success.